Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pork floss. First, select about 2 pounds of lean pork, such as pork shoulder. Cut it into large chunks and boil it in water with some ginger and green onions until it's incredibly tender, which usually takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. Once cooked, drain the pork and let it cool down enough to handle comfortably. Now it's time to shred the pork. You can use your hands, forks, or even a stand mixer with a paddle attachment to pull the pork apart into very fine, fluffy strands. The finer you shred it, the better the final texture will be. Next, mix in your seasonings, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Make sure every strand is well coated. The next crucial step is drying and frying. Place the seasoned pork in a large, dry pan over very low heat. Stir constantly to evaporate all the moisture. This process can take about 30 to 45 minutes. As it dries, the pork will become lighter and fluffier. Continue stirring until it turns a beautiful golden brown and achieves that signature crispy, flossy texture. Once your pork floss is perfectly crispy and cooled, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. It can stay fresh for several weeks, making it a fantastic pantry staple. Enjoy it sprinkled over congee, rice, or even as a savory snack on its own. It's incredibly versatile. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.